Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, I am going to share with you Jolly's Treasure Emporium's Bolo items, and she has an awesome store, so go check it out. But she is a baby blanket selling machine. So we're going to see how many blankets did she sell in this video. All right. So let's start here with the first one. Definitely go check out her eBay store, Jolly's Treasure Emporium. The first item she sold is this Canadian vintage down feather green orange jacket. She paid $6 for it and sold it for $85, and it took 7 months to sell. It went to Texas and it's hot there, so just happy still selling winter items. Yeah, that's crazy. Who needs a winter coat in the winter or in the summer? In the winter. I found these women's black label polo jeans at Goodwill at half price for $3. Sold for $25 and took less than a month to sell. Yeah, she picks up a lot of Ralph Lauren and seems to do pretty good with it. Are you guys selling Ralph Lauren? Let me know. If you do a search of solds high to low on Ralph Lauren, especially some of the old vintage stuff. Oh my goodness, some of it is crazy money. So definitely be on the lookout. Bought these Ladies of Seagram's Gin playing cards. These are playing cards. Wow. $2, and they sold $2 or less and sold for $25. That's crazy. $25 for those. Avon perfume. This is a bundle of 5. Odyssey, Timeless, Candid, Night Magic, Classic. Bought these at a donation sale, 50 cents each, sold for a best offer of 30. So yeah, this is something where you look them up, and if it's not worth your time selling them individually, you can bundle them for a bigger sale. Baby blanket number 1. Carter's baby blanket. So this is just Carter's, guys. Bought this Carter's baby blanket for $2 and sold it for $26. It did take 7 months to sell, but look, it even has a name on it. What do you think? Would you have listed it or walked past it? This one's a Stife. It's a bunny. Stife is usually pretty good. She said, I bought this for $2 and took a best offer of $35. Took about 7 months to sell. So be on the lookout. That one, that had a little hidden tag. Another baby blanket number 2, Spring Made. Bought this Spring Made vintage baby blanket for $2 and sold for $40 in 3 months. She had it listed high, took an offer of $40. So sometimes if you can't find any like it, you list it high and you just see what happens. And she didn't have much in it, so she took the offer. I don't blame her. Polo, another polo here. It's a Polo Ralph Lauren's boys t-shirt. She paid $2.69 for it. Sold in a week for $25. The next item is this Candy Couture lot. It's dance clothes. And she said, I found these Candy Couture dance clothes at the Goodwill for $1.50 each. As soon as I saw the logo, I knew what I found. Listed high, took an offer of $149 in less than a month. The next one is another Ralph Lauren top. It's a button front. It is a women's blouse. Paid $5 and sold in an offer of $22. So a great bread and butter item. If you're looking for a brand of clothing that's good bread and butter, it seems like she's doing pretty well with that. Let me know what you guys think about Ralph Lauren. Ocean Pacific Flamingo oversized beach towel. 2 available and 2 have sold. Found 4 of these at the Goodwill. 3 each. I believe sold 1 for $20 in about a week on eBay. So she has sold 2 already. So quick flip and multi-quantity listing. So you list it once and then you just keep selling it. Wow, look at these, guys. These are men's swim trunks. Oh boy, I bought these for $1 at a pallet store and sold for $30 after 8 months. They are colorful and tight. So here's the next one. Bought these Nintendo 64 vintage 1997 Diddy Kong keychain from the neighborhood yard sale for 25 cents. Sold it for 16. It did take about a year to sell. The next item are these Dolly Parton scrapbook and Nashville book. It's a book lot. Bought these from a church thrift for $1 each and took an offer of $23 in less than a month. The next one here is this 3T toddler jogging set. Got it for $3 and sold for asking price of $29, and it took about 6 months to sell. What do you guys think about selling kids' clothes? Let me know what you're doing with those. Are you selling them? or are you passing them by? This is a teddy. Ooh, this is a lacy lingerie teddy, size 3X. Bought it for $1.50 and took a best offer of 15. Took 8 months to sell. She got some skimpy stuff in her store. I bought these Dockers men's jeans for $5 or less. I'm not sure what I was thinking. I listed them for $133. Finally sold after 6 months for $45. Hey, you never know. I don't know what you were thinking either, but you still got 45. Maybe you only would have got 20 if you would have listed them lower. They are pleated. They are pleated and they are vintage and they are probably harder to find and they look to be in nice condition. So, hey, you never know. If you don't try, you won't sell it for that high ever. So at least you tried, right? I bought this Fanny Frog hand puppet from a church thrift, paid 20 and sold for 60 in 3 months. Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness. Library, classroom, school. Good keywords. I like it. Bought this Trace Adkins vintage honky tonk. What? Honky tonk badonkadonk. Badonkadonk. What on earth? Is that a song? Thrift store, $2 and sold for full asking price of 24 in 3 months. Honky tonk badonkadonk. There you go. There you go. Okay. All right, here's a good one. Another baby blanket sale. Cozy Morgan vintage balloon satin trim. The balloons, guys, if you find the balloons are big money. I'm not sure why she listed them together. If you're watching, let us know why you didn't sell these separately. That one's got marker on it. Maybe that's why. But yeah, this baby Morgan. Now that one says Cozy Morgan. Huh. This one says Cozy. So one is a different brand. This one's a Cozy and the other's a Morgan. Interesting. She paid $2 each, listed for $150 and took an offer of $105. Underwear, new old stock, new with defects, actually. New with defects. Let's see. Oh, they have a stain. They have a lot of stains. It looks like they were in the packaging and got water on them is what it looks like, but you can tell they're crisp. Did I just say they're crisp? They're crisp. They look crisp and new. The tag, they don't look washed. Definitely don't look washed. Can't remember how much money I paid for these. Had to be $3 or less. They're vintage 90s Fruit of the Loom underwear. Took almost a year to sell, but got $34, even with the spots. This one is a Karl Lagerfeld Paris shirt. Bought this for $1.50 at the Goodwill. Sold for full price of $34 in 5 months. Yeah, that's got a cool print. The next one is this Antonio Melani size 6 sleeveless blazer. Bought it for $1.50 and sold in 3 months for $25. I don't do clothes anymore. I don't like to list clothes. I did get all my Express jeans. Almost all of them are listed, but I did not do it. I had someone help me with that because I just don't want to do it. Clothes, I don't want to do it anymore. What's something you used to sell that you don't want to sell anymore? Let me know in the comments. Home interior, lot of 2 picks, cottage core, apple, strawberry, green, red bird house. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And again, go over to the Facebook group and share your bolos. She said, I bought these from the same sale donation, $40 for everything, kind of added everything up, paid about 50 cents. And they sold for $31. The next item is this Patagonia women's full zip. She paid $5 for it and took a best offer of $42, and that came from the Goodwill. Yeah, people like their Patagonia. These are scrub pants. She also likes to sell a lot of scrubs. She does pretty good with scrubs. Figs navy blue scrubs for $1.50 each. Sold for $29. She said, I saw these at the Goodwill for $20 and I almost bought these shoes. Glad I didn't because a few days later, half price, I paid $10 and sold them for $80. They are Grenson brown leather lace-up shoes. Took 4 months to sell. Yeah, she waited for the sale. They may have been gone, but they weren't. So she got lucky. She got lucky. All right, you guys, go give her a follow. Again, she is Jolly's Treasure Emporium. This is her store. These are currently listed. So if you see something you need, go pick it up from her. And thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Come share your bolo. And check out the links down below for things that I use for my business. And thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. See you at the next one. Thanks for watching.